Alright, good morning everyone. So I was looking online on forums, on YouTube, and I wasn't having any luck with finding how to wire up the Kabolite sound module that is in the k970 SME 100 and the 200, the 114 scale models. I wanted the same sound from those models, but in the 336gc. Sorry. So this is gonna be I guess an instructional video how to install that sound system in this model. So what I did was it comes with 3 jumper harnesses, right? I put one jumper harness into channel 1, hooked it up to the servo. I put the other 2 jumper harnesses into channel 6 and 7, which are these 2, which are for the tracks, left and right. Channel 6 is the left track, channel 7 is the right track, and then you match it with the corresponding color coded wires to the jump pins. The blue is for the bucket, so that plugs into the channel 1 jump harness. And then for the horn and the start up, I simply just put that into channel, what is it, 9, and the volume, which is green, which is 4, into channel 10. I put the power harness that powers the actual sound module into the iBus servo section up top, and here it is. So switch is in the middle right now. Horn, start up, horn again, turn off, no movements from the movement, no sound. All right, start up. Tracks. So just gotta figure out how to put the swing motor in now, and it will be complete. I'll probably just put that in, I don't know, maybe the sensor section of the iBus. See how it goes. Okay guys, so I put the swing sound in the sensor section of the iBus with no luck. But I did mix a 4th mix. Go to mix number 4, where I made channel 2 master, channel 1 slave, kept negative and positive just like the other mixes, negative 60 and positive 60. So now when I drop the boom or raise the boom, I still get the sound of the boom moving, the hydraulics, versus just having the bucket do the hydraulics by itself. I'll give you a listen. So drop the boom, raise the boom, bucket, dump, scoop. So I don't have enough mixes on this transmitter to do the stick. I'm fairly new to the RC hobby, so mixing and everything is a trial by error thing for me. Also looking up online. Like I said, it's all new, but learn as I go along, and hopefully this helps someone else. Thanks. Please like and subscribe, and follow me. I'm on Instagram as well, Kabolite_RC_construction. If you'd like to give that a follow as well. Thank you very much, guys.